Sige. Yay! Woo! All right! Yeah! Woohoo! Wow! Woohoo! Hey! Oh! All right. That was so good. Yeah. All right. Ayos. Okay, thanks guys for pushing us. Yeah. All right. Have a great night. Thank you. Yay. Ayos. Oh, that is so good. So much fun. We had fun, guys. Yay. So, what can you say, my love? Did you have fun? Okay, enjoy kami. So, yun. That's it.
Ito ang aking first international flight. First going to Canada. Si Lexi, anong masasabi mo?
Ano masasabi mo?
Aalis na si Papa.
Wala.
Wala lang? Walang ingat? Ingat? I
Ako!
love you.
Ingat. Ikaw, Mama. I love you, blah, blah, blah. I love you, blah, blah.
Nandito kami sa Sunridge Ski Resort at we are going to do some winter activities. Sasama ko kayo. Kami ay magtutubing. Check lang natin yung ticket natin. So meron tayong QR code dito at hinahanap ko lang kung saan yung booth para makuha ko yung ticket namin. Okay, so kita lang ako dito. Dito siguro, dito sa rental shop yata. Saan daw ba? Sa loob doon? Or dito? Rental shop yata dito eh. Ayan. Oo, tanong natin. Ski returns, snowboard returns. This is just for returns, I think. So, diyan, meron dyan. Entrance, ayun. So, dito yata. Sa may harapan. Yan natin. Nasaan na ba si Kyle? Nasaan na sila? Dito yata. So dito yata, tingnan natin. Ayan, nakalagay naman dito. Welcome to Sunridge Ski Snowboard Tube. Okay, so pasok tayo dito.
What?
Right. In here. Dito sa loob. Okay. So, ini. Okay. So, we have this.
Have you been tubing with us before?
No, this is my first time.
Oh, okay. So our tube park is all the way at the end of the parking lot.
Okay.
Right here.
Yeah.
At the biggest carpet. And
Oh,
so
yeah.
you'll grab the tubes at the bottom.
At the bottom, yeah.
Yeah, and then you'll head up to the top on the carpet.
Awesome.
Okay.
Where do we get the helmets?
Oh, did you have helmets on? there?
Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't.
No worries.
Yeah, if you had however many helmets you order, they'll just be in the rental shop there.
Rental
so here,
shop.
you'll need these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You'll put those tickets on and just have them visible on your jacket.
Okay, on the ticket
Yeah, there's
hole.
right at the top. There's a hole there.
Okay.
Punch the hole through and put those on a zipper.
All right. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So, dito ba yung helmet? Yeah. Ano? It's
The other is
we'll get the 7 helmets.
7 helmets.
Yeah.
Just helmets.
Yeah, just helmets.
All right. Let me just see.
Because we'll just be
Were the
2.
lift passes all bought together?
Yeah,
They're at the same number. That's blessed.
should be the same number. Kumukuha lang kami ng helmet dito.
We're just having a bit of problem with the computers.
Okay.
Okay, we'll get it. 1 second. I just want to get it all
They need 7 helmets and their transaction number does not work.
7 helmets, 7 rentals.
down.
Yeah, as long as this checks out.
Special area.
All right. Oh, yeah. He's at from.
Oh, awesome.
We were going to.
Oh, is that John you got there? Awesome. Let's grab those helmets here. So we'll get everyone over on this side here.
Hindi daw siya required. Hindi naman siya required. No.
Yeah, that's a little small.
Paano to ipitan?
Sakaling kita.
Yeah. Iniipitan nung anak ko. Kasi ito expert to eh. Dahil nag-snowboarding to, magaling to. Professional. Thank you. Ayun. Tara na. Tara tayo sa tubig. Na-assist ako ng daughter ko. Kasi this is our first time here. Ito, mga 1,000 times na yan nandito. Expert level.
Saan ko lagay ko?
Dito na lang. Ay, hindi ko alam kung saan pwede nalagay. Okay. So, paano nila namomonitor na hanggang 4:30 lang tayo?
Ito, it says.
Ha? It says there. Ah, okay. O, sige. Tara na. So, yeah, the 5 of us.
But this,
Okay.
those are
Yeah.
3 ropes. The last 2, you
Yeah.
gotta walk to the end of the burlap, and then go around to get off the track. So they don't cut across.
Ah, okay. Yeah, yeah.
And then while you're on the lift there,
Konting orientation
there's
lang
no
to.
walking up, or you have to think so.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, it's just like a escalator, right? Okay. So, yun lang daw. And then, eto na yung mga tube namin na gagamitin.
Pwede ko lang magkabisip eh.
Oh, pwede na magkadikit tayo. Medyo madilim itong camera ko, hindi ko pa alam kung paano i-adjust. So,
Kasi nilayo ng gano'n.
so this is...
Well, that one doesn't have a rope. So
Okay. Oh, okay. Kailangan pala ng rope. Maganda po. This one, right? Okay. Yeah. Good. Thank you. Ayan. So, let's go. Pakita tayo. Hihilahin mo lang pala ito. Papakyat. Doon. So, tingnan natin on how this goes. Ayan. Yeah. Eh, ayun, no, nag-slide na sila doon. So, aakyat kami dito. Ang tawag dito pala ay porcupine carpet. Ayun, no. No foot traffic on hill. So, medyo may konting instruction dito. Please load when guests ahead of you reaches pylon. Okay, so one at a time.
Oh my gosh.
Can you do it? Oh. Hey,
stand, just stand.
just stand. Good dog. Go. Ayun. So, medyo mabilis pala to. Ayan, no. You have to stand. Oo. Kaya kung first time ka, dapat ay dahan-dahan ka lang. Pero ang bilis nito eh, oh. Ang bilis nitong parang escalator na ito na flat. Escalator na flat. Yan. Papakyat na tayo doon sa pinakandulo doon. Medyo mataas nga rin, no? Wow. Tinutulak pa talaga. Tinutulak pa talaga yung Yung tube. Ano, medyo smooth naman. Mukhang smooth naman, no? Ayun nga, oh, may mga bata. Ayun sila, oh. Wow. Ayos. Makikita nyo, may mga bata, oh. Ay, di pala bata yun. Anak ko pala yun. Nandun na sila, oh. Wow. Right. Medyo malapit na tayo. Taas-taas din itong hill na ito. Dito naman sa kabila, makikita nyo yung mga nag-snowboard. Yan. Mamaya yung anak ko dyan daw eh. Mag-snowboard sila dyan. Kami dito lang sa medyo pambata. Okay, eto oh, may bata oh. Ay, hindi pala bata, parang to. Mukha lang bata oh. Oh, ganun lang naman. So, tube lang talaga siya. Oo nga eh. Hindi nang iniisip ko eh. Hindi naman siguro kung malaglag ka naman, eh snow naman yan, no? Okay lang. Oh, may mga bata nga eh. Ito bata talaga to, ay no? Ayan, no? Ayan, dito na sa... Tapos dito na tayo. Nako, paano ba ito? Ayos. Wow.
Ano?
Oh, dito na tayo. Alright. Shoot one with permission only. Proceed with permission only. Ano, gusto nyo dala-dalawa?
Oh, dito? Dala-dalawa or tatlo?
Dalawa. Two of you.
Hindi ka na?
Oh, solo na lang ako.
Okay.
Ayan. So, pwedeng dala-dalawa.
Kasi nahawakan.
Dalawa, tatlo, isa.
Kasi gaganon ko siya.
Okay. Medyo magulo tong aking ano.
Ay, kabayo nito. Oh, very nice. Yeah.
Ayun, sila. Nandun na sila. Dito na ako. Sa dulo. Alright.
How's it going?
Good, good. So, this is my first time here.
Sounds good, yeah?
So, how do I do this? Just sit?
Yes. You want there, yeah?
Alright.
Hold
Like
that.
that. Okay. Hold this.
Yep.
And then...
We just gotta wait for these guys to the bottom real quick.
Okay. Yeah.
You want to spin or no?
No.
All right.
Not
sounds
for
good.
now. Yeah.
Maybe
Yeah,
later.
just,
yeah.
later. A little bit later.
All right, here we go.
Okay. Here we go. Wow. Nag-spin din ako eh. Saan kaya ako aabutin ito? Paano kaya gagawin ko? Whoops! Uy! Wow! Ang galing! Ang sarap! Aha! That is so good! Woo! Ayos ah! Masarap! Masarap. Kaso lang dapat hinawakan ko pala yung ano. Ba't hindi ako dumiretso? Okay. Okay ah. Sarap ah. Isa pa. Ulitin natin. That is so good, guys. Yeah, I enjoyed it. Ano? What do you think? Rambe? What do you think? Good? Okay pala kahit mag-spin ka. Ayos ah.
Kaya nga, dapat.
Oh, maganda. That is good. Ayun. So, one more time. Pero, gagamitin ko naman na yung cellphone ko
Hawakan ko yun.
para makapag-reels tayo.
Yun, oh.
Ayan.
Para sa bahay. Nakahawak na. Nakahawak ako sa'yo.
Nakahawak.
Dapat hawakan mo.
Pula na yung piss ni mama. Ayan.
Nakatawa lang.
That is so good. Ate, gusto mong hawakan to? Para makapag-ano kayo?
Pwede ba?
Oo. Uy! Wow! Ang galing! Ang sarap! Aha! That is so good! Woo! Ayos ah! Masarap! Masarap, masarap, masarap.